Guys, I'm literally getting these shots one-handed on my bike, using my bike as like a gimbal to get smooth shots, as smooth as they can be on the bike. Yo guys, what up? Me, Patrick Lahar. Quickly here, I want to show you guys my setup that I was using for my Anamorphic with my normally I use this microphone. I forgot it on that last video you guys saw when I was doing the ISO test. This is what I normally always have in my bag, but I had a different backpack. Fantastic little mic here. It is the Rogue. Hang on, let me change views here. I'm using the Rogue VideoMic Me, and the reason I use this mic more than any of my other microphones, most of my microphones, they all sound great, but the fact that this thing clips on and it holds onto the phone, and I don't need any external cold shoe mounts or anything, so that's why I use this. And then it's got a headphone port. I can plug my headphones in here. That's why I use this microphone all the time, because it's just so easy to set up, and it clips, like I said, right on my phone, even with my case on. So let me plug that in right now. Alright, so now I have the microphone in, and then again this dead cat, which is extremely useful. Unfortunately yesterday, or not, that was yesterday when I did the ISO video, I didn't have this or my microphone. This knocks that wind sound down, so you hear that. Now I put it on. Big difference. This is like mandatory if you guys want to do vlogging or just do videos on your phone and you're outside and you know you got wind. Mandatory. So I'll have the link down in the description for this microphone that I'm using here. It is again an Amazon affiliate link, so you guys do help out the channel. I get a little bit of change on that. And then second of all, on my Anamorphic setup, I'm using the Moment Anamorphic lens with the case at the moment. Normally I would use my Ulanzi, but I purchased the Moment case just so I can just have this quick and easy, boom, snaps, turns on and goes. Everybody's familiar with it. It's just a game changer. It's just so fast. I can set up. With my Ulanzi, I had to put it on, take my case out, put it on, screw it on, and then I had to make sure it was straight every single time, because if it wasn't, there were so many shots I lost because it was slightly curved and it was just off. So this is, I mean, it's expensive, but I saved up. It took me a while. I saved up. I had the Ulanzi for almost a year and a half. I have the Generation 1 Ulanzi, and then I finally saved up and got the Moment with this case, and it's boom, snap it on, go, start recording. It's fantastic. So that's my quick setup, and then I'm recently been using MC Pro 24 SPS, and that's my go-to Anamorphic setup. So on my way home right now, it's a little bit just before, it's a little after golden hour. It's cloudy, overcast, and now that I know my ISO, now I know I can push my ISO really hard. I'm gonna grab a couple of shots on my way home. Again, handheld, no gimbal, literally on my bike, running gun, guerrilla style filming. I just grab a shot, boom, go. And again, when I use MC Pro on my Note 8, I don't have image stabilizing, so it gets a little bit like right now I have image stabilizing because I'm using the stock camera app, but when I use MC Pro, I don't have that. So sometimes I'll stabilize it in post, or sometimes I just won't stabilize. I just try to practice keeping my nice, smooth handheld motion. So enough of my jibber jabber. Links down in the description for all this stuff. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Enjoy the B-roll. Peace.